Hello friends, welcome back to the new tutorial of the Drizzle. Today we are going to learn about the schema migrations with Drizzle. Those who haven't subscribed my channel yet, please do subscribe my channel, and if you like the video, please do like, share and comment on my video. Let's get started. So here we have the project. Let's open it in a code. Okay. So this is the structure. So in the DB we have a db.js. Okay, and here we have to give the username password in the database for the drizzle. So currently username I need to put, so it's root, and the password I need to put over here. Okay, now drizzle database you have to create, right? Connection dot connect, right? And here we have to install this drizzle and the mysql. Okay, then we have a schema.js. We have defined the schema like customers with an id, name and email. Okay, at the top of it we have the integer mysql num, mysql table, unique index, so in the mysql core. Okay, so we are going to create tables like customers from the schema. How we are going to create this, we are going to learn in this video. db.js is completed. Then in the drizzle config.js we have to define where the schema is. Okay, so db schema.ts, so all the schema will go over there, right? So the out is drizzle, so that this is a drizzle folder. So when I create, automatically it will create a drizzle where we have all the migrations, right? Dialect is mysql, if another one, then postgres, mysql and the SQLite. Then we have a db credentials, then localhost, and here would be the username, and here we add the password, and this is database. Okay, so this thing done. Index.js currently not required basically currently, because we have to work only with the drizzle config and the db.js. Okay, so this is done. Now the package installation. Okay, so here we have the package, that is drizzle orm drizzle kit. Okay, so you need to install it. So it's done. Let's go and just first we have to generate the drizzle folder with the help of generate npx drizzle kit. So here we go with this one. Error, no schema files are found in the path db schema.ts. Schema.ts in the drizzle config, it should be a schema.js. Okay, so let's try to go with the this, and here you can see that the schema, here you got one table, that is customer, three columns, your SQL migrations. Okay, so if I go in my structure, here you can see that the drizzle folder is there with the this one here you can see, and the meta. So here we have get this customers. Okay, so this is the you can see about the migration file, right? So with the help of this it will generate. Next we have to go with, we have current, if I go to the database, right? So currently don't have the customers. Okay, so what we have to do, currently we have migrations file is generated, but the customer table is not created. So another step is that we have to push. Okay, so we have to push that one into the to create the database table. So paste this and enter. So the here you can see customers table created or renamed from another table. Create customers or rename table with this. I will go with customers. Yes, all changes were aborted. push. Okay, changes applied. Let's have a look. So the customer table is created. Now we can do the insertion node, but I haven't. Okay, node index.js, and record is inserted here. You can see that. Okay, so working fine. So what I have done in the index.js, so it's just for adding a record. What I do is Drizzle ORM MySQL uses schema.js and db connection from db.js, right? And here we have the main function. Here we have the db.insert.users and printing the last insert id, and here finally close the connection. Okay, so this we have done. So this is how you can generate the migrations with the help of the schema. Any doubt, any query in that, do let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching this video, and don't forget to like, share and comment on my video. Have a nice day.